Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about current. So current is the most important part of our electrical circuits. Without current, we don't have power, right? Without current, the lights don't turn on, the motor doesn't turn. And so we really need to make sure that current exists in the circuit because we can have potential in the circuit. And we can see that all the way up to our resistance load. But that does not mean that current is flowing through that circuit. It's the difference between this one here, no voltage potential, and this one down here, when it has the positive and negative potential, but there's not movement in the circuit, right? The movement happens once we connect our negative and our positive terminal and we provide a flow for that current to flow through. So we're going to call current the rate of flow of electron charge over time. Right? And that means specifically when the number of electrons that have a total charge of one coulomb goes through a cross-sectional area in 1 second, we're going to call that 1 ampere of current. So it's a factor over time. Right? We're going to measure it in amps, call it A, and use an ammeter. And we're going to represent it with an I in our mathematical equations. So we'll say I is equal to Q over T, right? That says that current is equal to the charge in coulombs divided by the time in seconds. Okay, let us know if you have any other questions.